Yeah, just I'm in a partial play here. Boy, that drug flash. Exciting stuff. Gals here are going. I used to be a doctor before speaking. Now all I do is spend all my time studying investors. All that we have in common is we both work in the gym. So far, I got nothing. This actor's pretty good at covering his tracks. Maybe it's a virus like this. Anyway, I won't stop. Do you have any luck with those bullet fragments we found in Maxine's apartment?
Yeah, she matched with the slug she pulled out of Armstrong's head.
Same shooter. She also opened Armstrong's mystery envelope. So guesses as to what was inside. Blueprints. Swiss bank account numbers. Not even close.
Hey, boss. Armstrong gave his girlfriend copies his last will and testament.
It's not his girlfriend either.
Says he's leaving over $1 million to his mom, and then $5 million to various animal and children's charities.
Does Armstrong have money?
Not even close. He doesn't even have $5,000 to his name.
That you know. Do you guys have a forensic accountant?
Is there something else you could be doing?
Actually, boss, it's a really great angle. Could you be?
Can you give us some names?
Sure. We use forensic accountants all the time. Not have much luck here. Hey, you are H. McGee. You just got a hit on your shooter. Name came back on the partial plate. Lisa Block, martial arts instructor. Personally said it's the cliff siding or management classes. Sounds like good material to me.
One more deep breath. All the way down.